healthy and nutritious cool meals.
Hey, I'm recording now. Who's this? Who's this? You're so gross. You're cute, aren't you, Princess?
The government
Yeah, he is. He's cute. Come here, Princess. Ooh.
The Chancellor's new growth plan will raise living standards for everyone. It told Sky News, "We are also supporting schools with £53.8 billion in core funding this year and a £4 billion increase in overall funding from 2021 to 2022.
I'm recording you. This is YouTube.
And the whole point of school meals is that children who come from low-income backgrounds have access to good, good quality food that they may not be getting at home.
At this school, there's a new menu coming after the half-term holidays. It is, they say, a step backwards. Sadia Chowdhury, Sky News, in Newham in London.
Aww.
Tributes from across the world of film
Cute,
and TV have continued to
Such a
pour in.
cute
The actor Robbie Coltrane, who's died at the age of 72.
Cutie.
Hailed as one of the most versatile actors of his generation, Coltrane became internationally recognised for his portrayal of Hagrid in the Harry Potter series. Sky's Iconic reports.
Bruce, come
Was perhaps
on.
the perfect role
Stop
for a character
cleaning
who was larger
yourself.
than
Look at the camera.
Robbie Coltrane's casting as the half-giant Hagrid in the Harry Potter films, making the Scottish actor an international star.
Hey,
It was long before the world of
put your face in
Hogwarts
camera
that he
like
made
you
his
always
name back home.
do when you see the camera.
Max, how are you?
Do that like you always do in the camera when you
Alternative
see it.
comedy scene of the 1980s. First with stand-up, then sketch shows.
Why do you always record her?
I'm an epileptic.
She puts her face in camera. I'm recording her. She's doing that.
Max is right.
Cutting his teeth alongside the likes of Jennifer Saunders, Emma Thompson and Stephen Fry. Paying tribute on Twitter, his former co-star wrote, "Such depth, power and talent, funny enough to cause helpless hiccups
You're so
and
cute,
haunting
little
as we
tongue
made our
sticking
first
out.
TV
Get
show
up
Al
in.
Fresco. Farewell, old fellow, you'll
Hey,
be so
Princess.
dreadfully missed." Harry
Princess.
Potter author
Princess.
J.K. Rowling wrote, "I'll never know anyone
on,
remotely like Robbie
Princess.
again. He was an
be
incredible
afraid
talent, a
of
complete
the camera.
one-off, and I was
Put your
beyond fortunate
face
to
in
know
camera.
him,
You don't
work
do
with
that
him,
anymore.
and laugh my head off with him."
What's going on to
Do that.
I still love you, but what?
His breakthrough came with the TV crime drama Cracker as a hard-drinking, foul-mouthed
Bye, guys.
forensic
Let's
psychologist.
subscribe.